I get a lot of comments about whether they are eligible for such and such course at ISI or IIT or IASC. Now, the question here is very important and essential for any aspirant. But the fundamental problem arises that I really want to help them, but I'm not able to help them because initially I used to give them a proper solution. I used to address their issues, but try to understand that it's inherently not a scalable problem to solve for me as of now, because there are courses which has specific eligibility criteria as mentioned in their admission brochure, and that's a publicly available document. So whatever you see, I will see the same thing. So I will not have any more information that what you already have. But let's say you want to clarify something which is not categorically mentioned in the website or the admission brochure, then you might reach out to me. But there comes the issue: I am no admission counselor. I just have a focus of helping you in preparing for these exams. So there comes a kind of a conflict with your expectation and my capability. And I have thought about it in a detail that can I come up with a scalable solution to handle such queries? But no, I cannot. So the best thing which I would tell you is go to the admission brochure or the official website, try to check out their eligibility criteria, and if you still have doubt, reach out to the admission committee. And if you don't hear something from them, try to reach out to people who have already done that course. Now, in my case, I have done MSQE at ISI Kolkata, so I could give you some ideas on that. But to tell you the truth, you should always ask more people than one if you're not getting some kind of a very expert opinion, because I would not have an expert opinion. I would just have some kind of a student kind of an opinion, because I am not an admission counselor, so I would not have much more information that who all can get into this course and what are the technical challenges of eligibility criteria. So I would suggest you that try to reach out to more people like me. Try to reach out to people on LinkedIn who have already done that course, that this is my query related to eligibility. Can you help? Now that looks a kind of a good solution for you on a personal level. And if you're looking out for an answer from me, and that too in a very quick turnaround time, I will not be able to help you. And generally speaking, that's not even my focus, because my focus has always been to give you the essence of competitive entrance examination preparation, be it JEE, CAT, MSQE, PGDBA, and whatnot.